What's happening, man? It's your boy MOB Calico, aka Calico the True, come back with another video. And today I'm gonna get to the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the Aura Glow color, and I'm also coming with the official unboxing of the 10,000 milliamp Samsung battery pack. Alright, man, so y'all can check these out on Samsung.com. I'll notate that in the description. The Samsung Galaxy Buds. Let's go with the Samsung Galaxy Buds first. Why not? As you can see on the packaging, Samsung Galaxy Buds has that nice little colorful funkadelic color on the front, the same as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. As you check on the side of the box, it has Samsung Galaxy Buds. The back just has a whole bunch of information. On the front, nothing. Of course, the little flap here. On the side here, it says 6 hours playtime plus 7 hours with the charging case, clear call and sound quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. And also on the back it says true wireless earbuds, 6 hours playtime, Bluetooth, sound by AKG. Now, most buds, the ones that come in the box with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, they sound pretty good. The wired buds that come with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and also with the Note 9, they tend to sound pretty good when they was tuned with AKG. Now, let me see. The packaging said it includes the earbuds, charging case, the wingtip 3 sets, earbud tips, USB-C cable, and quick start guide. Android and iOS compatible. You got to use with a smartphone and tablet running Android 5.0 or higher, and RAM 1.5 gig above, seamless Bluetooth connect and ambient sound mode only available for Android. It has voice command / Siri available for Android and iOS users. Alright, man, so let me go ahead and get an unboxing knife and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we back in. Alright, got the unboxing knife here. Go ahead and slip this thing open real quick. Yeah. Now, let's go ahead and open up the case. And as the presentation states, let's see what's in the top of the box here. Why not? Let's see what's in the top of the box. If it'll come out, that is. Alright, so you got Samsung information. It's probably just usual paperwork, warranty, quick start guide. Yeah, warranty, quick start guide, for the Galaxy Buds. Just quick start guide. That's all it is in the box there. And as you see, you're presented with the Galaxy Buds. I don't know if you're gonna get a quick look at that. They're inside the charging case. See what's in this white case here. Okay, cool. With the Galaxy Buds, you got the ear tips, and you also got a USB to USB-C USB-C cable here. USB-C to USB cable to charge your Galaxy Buds. So these charge via micro USB-C. All right. Put those to the side there. Alright, these are the Galaxy Buds. Wrapped in that glory, Aura Glow. You see as the case has that kind of pearl shiny look. Pretty cool, man. Let me see. Let's go and take this wrapping off. Set that over to the side. And as you see, if you can get a quick look up of that, it says Samsung tuned by AKG. Alright. And I did get these for pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Also, drop me a comment down in the chat to let me know if you guys want me to actually review the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Give me a definite reply and let me know down in the comment section what y'all want to see as far as like the next thing you want to see as far as a camera comparison between the iPhone XS Max. Anything that you guys want to see on my channel, let me know. And as you see in the case, it has the Aura Glow earbuds. They automatically charge. I guess the case is already has like a charge to it, so you're just basically sitting them in the case to charge the actual earbuds themselves. Alright, so that's just a quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Buds, man. That's all it is for the Samsung Galaxy Buds anyway. It's nothing major. Just anytime you charge them, you always see that little LED light there. And on the back, there's the USB-C connection point there for you to actually charge them. Well, yeah, man, I'm gonna definitely check these out and let me know if y'all want me to do a review on these and let you guys know how they sound. To the side. Now, let's get to the 10,000 milliamp hour Samsung battery pack. Now, this one contains the battery pack, USB cable, Type-C, and a leaflet book. It's a lithium-ion battery. Also has fast charge. It's 3100 milliamp hours, 9 volts. Let's see. It says fast typical is 2300 milliamp hours. Okay. All right. Just basically has your typical specs. Let's see, for the usable capacity here, is saying that a normal typical charge would be like for 6300 milliamps, it would charge at 5 volts. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. All right, but on the packaging, it just has a display of the box of what it looks like. I don't know if that'll focus in there. Let's see. Come on camera. All right, cool. And basically nothing on the box on the sides. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. All right. All right. Now as I open up the box, there's nothing but safety information for your battery, since you're dealing with a battery. Tell you basically how to dispose of the battery if you decide to let this go, and definitely the battery doesn't have any more life to it anymore. It just stops working on you. But so far, I've been able to use all my power banks. I've never had a problem with my power banks ever running out on me. They've been seeming like they've been working pretty good. All right, let's see. What's next? All right, so this is the actual power bank itself. 10,000 milliamps. Got some pretty good build quality to it. It's nice and sturdy, man. It feels heavy. 10,000 milliamps of juice. Now, when I be taking this, like, probably on my little trips and shit, like when I want to definitely go out of town and I'm on planes and flights and shit like that, I'm definitely charging my phones, and I'm charging my phones on the go when I'm chilling with Bae and we going out different places. It just definitely helps you out in a tight situation, especially when you need it the most. Let me see, because one of these ports you can only use fast charge, and I think the other one is normal charge. See how much juice we got on it out the box. All right, so I got two LEDs out of 4. That means that I got 50% battery on this. All right. But yeah, this was just a quick unboxing, man. I wasn't doing anything major with y'all, man. I was just doing a quick unboxing. Definitely drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. Holla at me on my Instagram at CalicoTheTruth, CalicoDaTruth. All right, and just get at me. Let me know what y'all want to see. Drop a like in the comments. Also, definitely let me know what y'all want to see next. But this has been your boy MOB Calico, aka Calico the Truth, man. And I just got done unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds and the Samsung 10,000 milliamp hour battery power bank. All right. But this has been your boy, man. I'm out of here. All right.